my name is Allison Mack. I am with iolo Technologies, and I'm the Public Relations Manager there. So let's get down to why computers slow down, why a PC would slow down. A lot of people assume that that's just supposed to happen, right? Oh yeah, a computer is just supposed to happen. It's like a car, after using it for so many months, using it for so many years, it's just supposed to happen. It's just supposed to not work as great as it's supposed to. But the truth is, that's not true. There's no mechanical parts from a PC, so there's really no reason for it to have to slow down. The reason that it does slow down is just from normal everyday use. It just gets cluttered. Also, many times when you buy a computer, it already comes preloaded with a lot of software that you don't need, so that also slows the computer down. And the other top reasons for a computer slowdown: registry problems, system clutter, loss of memory. Many times when you don't turn off the computer, a lot of memory leaks out and it gets fragmented, and as well as misused processor cycles. So other reasons: startup clutter, like I said, file clutter, registry clutter, fragmented RAM. So all these things, which you guys are very familiar with, are reasons why computers slow down. Again, it's all things just from everyday normal use. When I open up the internet, when I open up Microsoft Word, PowerPoint, all these things just add on. So it's not the actual computer. It's not like a car, my tires are out. It's just from normal everyday use. Basically, System Mechanic, we are among the top best-selling utilities since 2003. And since 2007, System Mechanic has actually been the #1 best-selling PC tune-up software. We command 66% of the market. And we like to think that we are actually the ones that came up with the term PC tune-up. And also, we have 23 million users worldwide, with 50% outside of the US. So iolo Technologies, we also have other products besides System Mechanic, which is our flagship product, but we also have Search and Recover, which basically what the name says, we search and recover accidentally deleted products or files. And then Drive Scrubber, which is we completely wipe out your PC, all the hard drive. So it's great if you're trying to resell your computer or actually recycle it. None of your personal information is going to be there. It's Department of Defense level of deletion. And then we have antivirus, personal firewalls, and then we have System Mechanic Professional, which is a bundle of all of our products together. So System Mechanic is just our flagship product, the PC tune-up software, while System Mechanic Professional has all of our product from Search, Recover, Drive Scrubber, and our antivirus and firewall. So this is just a competitive comparison to what we do with System Mechanic compared to all our other PC tune-up products out there, such as Norton, Microsoft OneCare, which is actually no longer existed. We are sold in 14 countries, as well as in retail stores where you can find us. So you can purchase it online, or you can definitely see us in all the local stores around town. We have won a lot of awards, which we're really, really proud of. So from PC Mag to CNET, PC World, consistently ranking us, giving us 5 stars from these tech reporters and really influential tech industry leaders have definitely ranked us, best utility suite, editor's choice. Okay, so like I said, there are 40 different tools. I personally am not a very technical person. I don't really care about what the hard drive is doing or what, all the fragments and all the startup time. I just really want my computer to work. I just want it to set it and forget it and not really have to worry about the technical little logistics about it. I just want to make sure it works. So there's a novice version for me, which is great. Many times I just turn on System Mechanic when it pops up. I could just click Repair All. So it's really great for novice. A lot of our moms and our soccer moms really enjoy it. But also it's really great for experts and techies as well, because you can really dive in there and try to see exactly what the issue is. And then also there is a thing called Active Care that is part of our program. Basically what it does is it runs behind the scenes. iolo Labs, this is what I mentioned before. Our iolo Labs is actually our research wing. So we are a subscription model, and the reason for that is because of all iolo labs. There are always new things coming out, right? It's like antivirus. You know how antivirus is a subscription model because there's always new viruses out there? Very similar to TuneUp and your computers. The research team are always trying to see, they're always testing out if there's any new things coming out there that might slow down to computer, and they do research, and they update System Mechanic constantly to know what are the new software out there that you don't need, the new clutter, the new registry problems, and it's constantly fixing that. So it's like if you were to buy System Mechanic now, you always get the newest version with the subscription model. Very great. Here are some of the new features. And we actually talked to a lot of our users, and they gave us the feedback on what they would like to see with the new System Mechanic. So like I said, tune-up definitions, very much like virus definitions, the antivirus definitions. It's constantly being updated. We're always constantly looking for new reasons why the computer is being slowed down, and so it's just a very intelligent way to understand the behavior and impact program of your PC. Energy booster. This is something that a lot of our techies really like. So let's say you're a gamer, right? You're playing a video game and you want all the energy, all your computer's memory and all the energy from the computer to just focus on the game. What it does is that you can press a button with System Mechanic and it automatically shuts down temporarily all the background things that's also taking up energy, and it just focuses on the gaming. So let's say you're watching a movie and you only want to be watching the movie. You don't want anything else running in the background that could be taking up the computer's energy or taking up the computer's memory, and it shuts it down and just focus your energy on all the computer's energy on the program that you're using. So this is also a really cool product, a PC status gadget. So those who are using Windows 7, those are using Vista, you know how there's a little gadget right on the desktop? We developed this, and you will see it on my desktop. Just a quick little thing right there that tells you how your computer is doing. If it's good, if it's fair, if it's dangerous and you need to clean out your computer soon. So it's just a one-click glance and you can see that. Total Registry Revitalizer. So basically it's like a one-click button for you to just fix up all the issues that are going on with your computer. Privacy Cleaner. Privacy, we heard, is a really big issue, you know, with a lot of our users. So now you can actually, using the tools and the tools from our drive scrubber, you can actually right-click on your recycling bin, and you don't just delete the files in your recycling bin, but we have this thing called Incinerator, where it really deletes it, completely deletes it. All the X's, all the zeros and ones, you know, completely over your files, so it's gone. Even with Internet Explorer, you can completely delete the history, so no one will know, you know, what you've been doing on your computer. As well as different chats that you might have that are personal. It will just completely clean it out, so you definitely don't have to worry about your privacy. So like I said, here is the little gadget. So I can just take, you know, I turn on my computer, I want to be like, hey, how's my computer doing? Instead of having to open up the software, it's just immediately there. So let's see how my computer is doing. Good, right? My computer is doing really well. Everything is good there. So that's the gadget, and let's open up the actual program. Okay, so my system status is good. I recently cleaned it out this week, but when I didn't clean it out, you know, it could be in the middle, so you immediately could get a one-click glance on how your computer is doing. See, like I said, there are these all-in-one tools that you can take care of if you just want to individual tools. You can dig into the individual tools and take a look at what's going on, very clearly labeled.
Now click on, say, AutoExec or any of the user runs, and it gives you a lot of information.
Yeah.
Which I think is really one of the key points. On the left side, click on user.
Yeah.
Any of those things, then you click on it, it gives you more information.
Yeah, it gives you more in regular,
click
everyday.
On the plus.
Can you remove them?
Yeah. So it shows you where it is, what it's doing,
what it's doing,
whether it's a good
Yep.
operating program, and it even tells you whether or not it's okay.